Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Instagram comments and keep your feed positive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable advanced comment filtering on Instagram, updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your main feed, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access all your personal settings. Now, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. A list of options will appear. Scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Hidden Words. Tap on it to open up Instagram's comment filtering settings. Inside the Hidden Words section, you'll see a variety of tools designed to help you manage unwanted interactions. Find the option called Advanced Comment Filtering. To turn it on, simply tap the toggle switch next to it. When this feature is enabled, Instagram will automatically filter out comments that contain offensive language, spam, or words and phrases that are commonly reported as inappropriate. This advanced filter uses Instagram's AI to detect and hide problematic comments before they ever reach your posts, helping you maintain a safer and more positive space for you and your followers. If you ever want to adjust these settings or turn the filter off, just follow these same steps to return to the Hidden Words menu and use the toggle switch as needed. And that's it. With advanced comment filtering enabled, you can enjoy a cleaner, more welcoming comment section on all your Instagram posts. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, be sure to check out more tips to make the most out of your Instagram experience.